really know because you're supposed to check in at bar, and we haven't made it to bar. So I don't know if somebody's going to come up to the boat, tell us to leave or what, but we'll figure it out. This place was really cool. We went in this castle last night. We actually got lost in it. It's full of restaurants. Yeah, and it's full of restaurants, this castle, and like people live in it, and it's like very nice inside. It's huge though. Like we got like super lost in all those streets inside of it. But yeah, we'll probably stop back here on our way back. This is Montenegro, the first town we hit in Montenegro. Okay, so the radios here are like brutal. Because you're bordering on so many different countries, going up here toward Montenegro, every time you radio into a port to check into a country or something, they respond to you. Like everybody speaks different languages, and they just respond to you, like blurt out random things into the radio, and you never have a clue if they're talking to you. It's pretty brutal. You kind of just gotta wing it with the radio. I radio in, and most of the time I just get like somebody like blurting something out back to me. Like usually it's just like blah, blah. Like they just like burp into like the thing, and you have no idea what they say. Yeah, anyway.
This is the customs just over here. We just checked into Montenegro. And this is Bar, the city of Bar. First you show up to the customs dock. I can only get out, being the captain. Bailey has to stay on the boat. Same with the dog. I have the paperwork. I walk over to the customs. They take our passports, our boat registration, and they check us in. And then from there, I'm sent to the port authority. The what's it called? Harbor master, and they get our boat registered in the country for whatever paperwork or whatever, and you have to pay a tax, like a cruising tax, for how long you'll be cruising in Montenegro. We paid for 7 days because we're heading to Croatia next. We're gonna anchor in a few nice spots going across here, and then we have to come back anyways, so we'll have to pay for another 7 days then. Just arrived in Sveti Stefan. Here's Sveti Stefan in Montenegro. Beautiful castle over here. It's all sand. We got the nicest spot in the anchorage as well. Just trying to put some I just put some of this like dinghy repair glue stuff on the dinghy. It's been losing air, so it's drying, so we're gonna have to swim to shore now. Take the dog for a walk, but we'll be checking this out. Yeah, is it cold?
Yeah, it's not that bad once you're in, but these blue fish, they're all coming up to my feet. Look, the fish are back.
My ear, I didn't pop my ears.
Oh. Hey, Austin.
Remember the name of this place?
Morning coffee.
And juice.
And juice. And wasps, because Austin bought the most syrupy juice I've ever had in my life, and all the wasps really like it.
Albanian juice.
Yeah. We got this, this one's not it, this is like the mixed juice, but he got this, like, it's called orange juice. We thought it was orange juice, like oranges, like orange juice. And I poured it into my cup this morning, and it was neon orange. And it was literally juice that was orange, because orange juice. We're like, oops. That's not what we thought that was.
Back to the... It ended, didn't it?
I'll edit this part out, go.
I was saying you should actually pour the juice, because it just sounded retarded what you just said. Greg, we got orange juice, and it turned out that it's orange.
I said neon orange. Neon orange. Okay, what are you saying? We went to this.
We went to this restaurant, this fish restaurant last night. They put out mooring balls so that if you hook up to the mooring balls, they don't charge you anything if you go and eat at the restaurant. It was pretty good. They have everything's like super fresh fish. It's only fish on the menu. They go out twice a day and get fish. It was pretty